In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install StripCard. StripCard is virtual credit card full solution. So after purchasing this script, I will just go straight to my cPanel. Here is my cPanel. From my cPanel, I go to my file manager. From my file manager, I go to the subdomain, or if I'm using a domain, I'll go to my domain. For this testing purposes, I'm using a subdomain, which is this. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So here is my script. I've already uploaded it. Next, I'm going to extract it. I right click on it, then click on extract. Extract files. So next I click on close. I have extracted the files. Here is it. Here are the files here. So what next? I go back to my cPanel. This time around I want to create my database. I go to databases. I scroll down. Yes, here is this databases. Under it, I come to my SQL databases. I click on it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channels. For your script installation and customization, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me for your projects. So next I create my database. Let me name my database as this. Then next I click on create database. I have created my database successfully. So next I click on go back. So after creating my database, next is for me to create my user. So let me scroll down to my user. Okay, here is it, add new user. Let me name it as this. Okay. So next I click on create user. Okay, now I've successfully created my user. I click on go back. I have created my user. I have created my database. So after creating my user and my database, what next is for me to add my user to my database. Okay, let me select it from here. Here is it. And this one is selected already, so I click on add. Next, I click on all privileges, then I scroll down to make changes. Make changes. I have created my database, my user, and now I have added my user to my database. So added successfully. Now I will go back to my file manager to copy my subdomain or open a new tab, paste it there, or I can just write it there. Enter. Next I click on start. Next, I'm going to fill here. After filling here, I click on continue. Then next I'm going to fill this place. This localhost, my database name. Let me go and copy it. Here is it. Username. Then I click on continue. After filling this place, I click on continue. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Migrate. After that, I'm going to fill admin account settings. Admin email, let me say admin@example.com. First name, let me say admin. Last name, admin. Then I click on continue. After filling everything, for your script installation, please use the engagement link in the description to engagement for your script installation and customization. So application is ready to run. Please configure below information to run your application. Okay, let me just go straight to my website. I click on website. As you can see, I have successfully installed my script. Wow, very nice. So next I click on if I want to log in, other details like the about services, announcements, contact. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. You can, for your script installation, please use the engagement link in the description to engage me for your script installation. Thank you.